Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. GTA 5 Night Vision versus Thermal. So today I'll be showing you what's the difference between a thermal vision and a night vision. So thermal vision, it allows me to see the peoples because of their warm temperature, but it doesn't allow me to see the objects in front of me, like the door, the car, or the building. It doesn't allow me to see that. So the night vision goggles are only more effective when it's very dark in the area. So right now, as you can see, it is dark in the area and it has a little bit of light. When you look at the light, it's so bright. But when you look at the other places, like for example this area, it's a little bit dark. You can see it much more clearly. So unlike the thermal glasses, it doesn't show the warmth of the person. So right now, I'll be showing you, I'll give you an example. I will shoot this, and when its warmth is gone, it will disappear. There we go, as you can see, right there. So yeah, that's the difference between a night vision goggles and a thermal vision. So thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.